So let's start with the first step, which is creating an account on any browser or your favorite browser. Search dbtraders.com. Then simply click the one written automated trading software and give it some time to load. So we have two options. One is logging in and the other one is signing up. So if you already have a DERIV account, you simply log in. If you don't have an account, you click sign up. Enter the email that you normally use on that section. Follow the simple steps of creating an account. There's a link that will be sent in your email, so make sure to view it, then verify your account. After that, the next step is creating a real account. So you can proceed and log in once you have created a demo account. Now it's time to create a real account that you can use to trade on the real financial market. There's this section on the center of the screen. It's written get real account. So you click get real account. Then you select the US dollar currency, since that's the currency that you'll be using to trade. The next step is entering your names, your correct names and full names as written on your identification document. Don't make a mistake to write your nicknames. So write your first name and your last name as written on your identification card. If you don't have an identification card, you can use your guardian. Also enter your date of birth as indicated on your identification card, then click next. The phone number that you'll be using to deposit your cash and also for withdrawals. Then the option to select your account purpose, the reason you're opening the DERIV account, click additional revenue. You can answer this depending on whether you're employed, you're not employed. Enter the country that you live in. After that, enter your tax identification number. What I mean by tax identification number is your KRA PIN. If you don't have a KRA PIN, you can simply ask from your guardian. There's also an option to skip, so you can just click skip. Enter your address where you live. Then for your zip code, you can just Google Nairobi zip code, the town that you live, whichever town. If you're living in Mombasa, you just search Mombasa zip code, then that's what you'll indicate on this part. You just search on Google the zip code of your town. Then I click I declare, I confirm I'm not a citizen of the US. I'm not a PEP. Agree to terms and conditions, then create an account. And that's it. Now you have a real account. You can see on that part at the center written Traders Hub. You can check your demo account and real account. So once you create your real account, it will automatically have a zero balance. So the next step I'll teach you is how to deposit. You can interchange between real and demo account. Demo account is basically for practice, and the real account is for the actual trading. So the next step I'll be teaching you is how to deposit. In order to deposit, the same app for depositing is the same app you'll use to withdraw your profits. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Dcash. Top right up, application written Dcash, and that's their logo. So make sure to download the correct application. Once you're done downloading it, click open, then click sign up. Once you have an account, that's when you log in. Click sign up. Continue to DERIV. Click continue to DERIV. Enter the login details that you used to create an account. Click authorize this application. Click yes, these are my details. Enter the number that you'll be using for transactions. Enter the referral code, which is $. Then click apply code in capital letters. The D should be in capital letters. Click confirm affiliate. Enter your new password, and that's it. You click finish. The next step is just clicking deposit, and then you enter the amount that you want to deposit in form of shillings. Then on top it will be converted into $. It's as easy as that. Withdrawing, you just click withdraw, enter, click proceed, enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then you follow the simple instructions, and that's it. After watching this video, I'll send you a link to the first strategy that you'll try to trade with